Hello students, let us continue lesson number 5 and the name of the lesson is location and time and the topic is longitudes and longitudinal coordinates of a place. The vertical imaginary lines drawn on a globe that run in the north-south direction are known as longitudes. Find the following from the given map through which countries does the 0 degree longitude pass. How many longitudes are present in the eastern and western hemisphere respectively? Children, you can see page number 23, 5.5 world map. Go through it. Now, major longitudes. Number 1, prime meridian, that is Greenwich. The 0 degree longitude that passes through Greenwich in England is known as prime meridian. It divides the earth into two vertical halves, eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. It has longitudes extending up to 180 degree on both eastern and western sides. Since it passes through Greenwich, it is generally referred to as the prime meridian as well. Now, table is given here, eastern countries and western countries. So, this question we will do in our CW copy. Second number is international date line. The international date line is an imaginary line on the earth from north to south poles. IDL is the international date line. The full form of IDL is I international, D date and L means line. The 180 degree longitude is known as the international date line. There is only one longitude at 180 degree. It passes through the Pacific Ocean. When a person crosses IDL, the date and day change. Now, shape of IDL. The ideal is supposed to be straight, but it is not. At quite a few places, it is zigzag. When drawn straight, this longitude passes through many islands of the Pacific Ocean. Hence, when the line passed through such islands, the locations there had 2 days and dates. This created a disorder for these islands. Hence, the ideal was drawn only from the water bodies. Thus, the ideal does not pass from any land forms. To draw it from water bodies, it had to be made zigzag. Thus, the shape of the ideal is zigzag. Now, activity is there. The eastern hemisphere is to the east of 0 degree longitudes and the western hemisphere is to its west. Keeping this in mind, using a map, find out the longitudinal coordinates of India. Also, fill up the table for the other countries. Now, children, you can see on page number 24, picture number 5.6, international date line. Then on page number 25, one table is given there. So this table we will do in our CW copy. The sun is the biggest clock of the earth. The time at any place is decided by the position of the sun in the sky and its longitudes. The Earth completes one rotation in 24 hours. There are 360 longitudes in all, 180 to the east of the prime meridian and 180 to its west. In this way, 15 longitudes pass by the sun in 1 hour. One longitude takes 4 minutes to rotate. Thus, there is difference of 4 minutes between two adjacent longitudes. Therefore, the time in different places on the earth varies as per their longitudes. Now, children, we will do this activity in our CW copy related to question and answer. Now children, I will explain you the further topic in my next video. Thank you.